Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today's show is all about my favorite topic, which is manifestation, manifesting your dream life. And who can be better than this for Hema? Hema is a manifestation coach and also a business coach for coaches. So, with this person, all your financial doubts, worries will all be over. Why? Because today we are talking about everything related to manifestation. So, Hema, welcome to the show. Thank you, Bina. I'm so happy. So, the first question, Hema, is all about why did you choose this topic of manifestation? Oh, I think it would be very difficult for me to shorten the story, but I'll try. Pardon me if I take too much of time. But I never knew what the word manifestation was. All I was keen since my young age, I would say, was 13 years जब हम लोग चेन्नई आए थे from north, right? And I was we were in the Vivekananda College, and by reading books of Vivekananda, we grew up. And I was very keen to understand human mind. I heard about chakras, yoga, and without even knowing something like healing exists, I was too inclined towards those meditations. And it was, I think, 11th standard when I bumped upon a book which was lying with my brother, The Power of Subconscious Mind. एंड उसको पढ़ते से ही उस टीनेज में हम क्या करेंगे, राइट? आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट माय पार्टनर, सो मस्ती में नो वो फ्रेज यूज किया. एंड आई यूज्ड टू गिव द फ्रेजेस टू माय आंट्स हु वर नॉट फीलिंग वेल. मैं बोलती थी कि ये बोलो रोज आपको ठीक होगा, एंड आई यूज्ड टू सर्कुलेट दैट टू जस्ट ट्राई कि देखते हैं ना काम करता है कि नहीं. Because since childhood, my father had brought us up to avoid medicines and go with natural remedies and stuff. Now, in the field, I started manifesting partners, 11th and 12th standard में किया. And you will not believe my husband, who I'm married to now, right? He was the exact manifestation. Every time when I stepped into my business and I had struggles and I saw how he supported me, I only reminded myself, कि, oh my God, my manifestation has come to real. And I didn't even realize it. वो तो मस्ती में कर रहे थे ना उस एज में, who knew कि क्या होगा. We didn't even think होगा या नहीं होगा, बस किया. But exactly वो बंदा मेरा husband बन जाएगा. And now what? We know each other for 8 years plus marriage, 20 years with him. And the exact qualities that in the affirmation we were using, and then I believe there is power in manifestation. And there was a recent no reflection. I was thinking, I quit my corporate job, right? So when I started my journey, and that was exactly after my second son was born. I recollected last 6 months back, somewhere I intended that in the current company which I was working in, right? 2 maternities I will utilize and I come out. And I can't believe exactly after my second maternity, I came up. Oh my it was, I didn't even know that will happen. Right. So can you believe it? Yeah. So much, so it much. Is so much powerful manifestation. And then how can I stop from not helping people? And there were so many big disruptions in my life. That again I work with manifestation. And that is a too deep. I don't want to put all the story now. But it's real and it works. The power of intentions and energy, and then it is endless. So it is my like heart and soul, no, into manifestation. So once you tried doing something, it worked out for you. Yeah. Your belief grew. Yeah. Okay, so even I'm noticing that there's a lot of movement and a lot of discussion around manifestation that's going on. Some people say, "Oh, it doesn't work. It's all like too energy stuff. People talk, and there is no logic to it. You don't take action, and then you feel manifestation will work." Yeah. So there are a lot of people who are doing manifestation in the wrong way. Can you tell us some of the top reasons why manifestation can go wrong with someone? Yes, Pina. So I think I would want to tell this to the audience. Let's see, manifestation कुछ भी नहीं. It's all about setting your thoughts right. Because in psychology, so if a lot of you don't know, I'm a psychologist as well, and I bring psychology into this manifestation. It is not a woo-woo thing. So when your thoughts and emotions are aligned, you are able to take action. And when you take action, how results can't be there? कुछ तो रिजल्ट होना है ना. हम एक्शन नहीं ले पाते हैं, and that is where we feel burnout.
अब एक्शन क्यों नहीं ले पाते? क्योंकि हमारे इमोशंस अलाइन नहीं है। अब सैडनेस में तुम कैसे यू विल बी प्रोडक्टिव, है ना? तो अब सैडनेस में क्यों हो? क्योंकि दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, समथिंग इज रनिंग इन द ब्रेन. So it is a psychology. What you think and how you feel, and automatically your body moves. So recently, there was one of the clients. You know, in business coaching, right? It's all about taking actions. So one of this client, I made her do her first workshop. Actually, she's a very confident girl. She believes in manifestation, very good presentation, everything. But when it was about doing a live workshop, you could literally see herself, being so nervous and stuff. Why was it? Because the image that she had about herself, ki I can do and whatever she has done, was being broken down now when she came into putting out something new. She thought she could do, but she could not do. Now her thoughts and action was not aligned. That was causing the breakdown, है ना? Fear. So कैसे manifestation काम करेगा? And this is where again we need to groom them, work on them, right? So your body doesn't move if you don't believe. Only when you believe your body will move. तो उस बॉडी को मूव करवाने के लिए पहले थॉट्स पे काम करना है ना. एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी से मैनिफेस्टेशन भी ना. आप क्या सिखाते हो? आप फीलिंग पे भी आप सिखाते हो ग्राउंडिंग, आप सिखाते हो बीइंग लविंग एंड कंपैशनेट. एंड जब लोग वो करते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली लाइफ आगे बढ़ती है कि नहीं? हम तो कुछ ये बोलते हैं कि ऐसे उनको मैनिपुलेट करो या ये करो वो करो. नहीं, आप उनको बोलते हो कि आप आराम से रहो, प्यार में रहो और शांत से रहो, ट्रस्ट में रहो, है ना?
I totally agree with you on this, Seema. But then, there is also a lot of trouble in people's lives when actually we are starting new on something.
Yes.
Our primitive mind gets awakened. And then, of course, we are in fight and flight mode. Our mind is hijacked at that point. Now, what do you think? When a person is just starting out, when there is no belief, and they are really at the rock bottom in their emotions, how can they bring themselves up? How they can handle it emotionally, and how they can create that belief that they can become unstoppable?
Yes. So now it will become like egg story, hen and the egg story.
Yes.
कि पहले hen आया या the egg आया, है ना? Exactly like this, Veena. We need to stop figuring out hen or egg. You start with something. Same way, the best way to do is to take some action. Learn the basis of manifestation from any mentor and start with either writing what you want or affirming what you want, whichever comes well for you. अभी कुछ लोग kinesthetic होते हैं जिनको टच एंड फील ही अच्छा लगता है, so they will have to write, right? And few people are visual. पिक्चर्स लगाओ जो आपको चाहिए, या फिर ऑडिटरी पीपल है, सो आप लोग एफर्मेशंस करो. अब एफर्मेशन क्या है? मुझ में कोई बिलीफ नहीं. सी आई वाज नॉट दिस पर्सन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. पीपल टेल मी कि नहीं तू तो इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं है, यू आर वेरी एक्सट्रोवर्ट, यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. बट मैं जानती हूँ कि अंदर से कैसी मेरी फाउंडेशन गिरती थी जब आई हैड टू डू समथिंग न्यू, है ना? आई यूज्ड टू फ्रीज लिटरली. बाहर से I used to manage somehow. Now how did I come up? Somewhere I read about mirror technique. है ना? तब I was not teaching manifestation, I was a learner. मैंने क्या किया? I blindly believed. I didn't analyze it. Go stand in front of the mirror and say I love you on daily basis in the morning. And I don't know how did I start loving myself and became confident. I didn't know the science behind it. People said करो, मैंने किया, क्या जाता है ना? See, are you eating something? Are you spending some time? No, now what are you losing? Why do people have to analyze so much just to look in the mirror and say I love you? कर लो ना, किसी ने बोला है ना. कितनी चीजें हम लोग बेकार भी करते हैं कि नहीं? So now second thing, affirmation. चलो लिखने का टाइम नहीं है, ऑन द गो नहा रहे हो या कंघी कर रहे हो, ड्रेस कर रहे हो, तब बोलो ना अपने आप को कि आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट आई एम गेटिंग दिस, आई एम सो हैप्पी. बोलने में क्या जाता है? सच लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है, नहीं होगा, सामने कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. माइट बी यू आर अर्निंग 0 एंड आई एम आस्किंग यू टू नो अफर्म फॉर 1 lakh. बोलने में क्या जा रहा है यार? आर यू यूजिंग एनीथिंग? आर यू पेइंग एनीथिंग टू जस्ट से इट फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर? नहीं ना. टाइम भी आई एम नॉट इवन टेलिंग यू स्पेंड सम मोर टाइम. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि नहाते समय करो, खाते समय करो, या फिर ड्रेस करते समय करो.
Yes. I feel so connected to what you're saying because
being a beginner, you don't need a complicated thing, na?
yes. And honestly, just don't listen to us.
Yeah.
Try it for yourself and see what happens. And also, you know why people don't do this, Eva? Because people have got used to living in pain.
Yeah.
Failure is
So true.
familiar to them.
So true.
Living in sad state and stuck state is familiar to them.
So true.
So challenging, being happy, living in high vibration, we are not used to. So now the body is chemically conditioned to live in
pain.
state, stuck state. That is the only known you've taught your body chemically.
And high vibration feels like you're a
Absolutely,
pagal.
something new, something different.
Crazy.
Our primitive mind does not want to go on an unknown path.
Yes.
So I'll tell you a short story
Please,
just to add further. There was a friend of mine, so she would always complain about her mother-in-law. You're my mother-in-law, you know, she's like this, she's like that, she creates so much problem in my life, and she's always trying to create fight between me and my husband. Every time I would meet her, she would only complain about the mother-in-law. Now, what happened after 6 months? I met her once, and she said that her mother-in-law has passed away like 3 months back. So I thought in my mind that I'm sure
She
she'll be a happy person. And I spoke to her that, oh, now your life must be good then, you know, like jokingly.
Yeah.
And you know what she said? She said, no, Veena, you don't know these husbands. Troublesome.
Yeah.
And they don't have time for me. Look at these kids, they're always busy on mobile. So now what is the problem, guys? The problem was the mother-in-law, or the problem was in the chemical condition and the state in which she got used to of living. So everything is a pattern. Whether you want to live in happiness or you want to live in a stuck state. And I'm not saying that situations don't happen in life, but you have to be in awareness that if I continue to be in that state, will I optimize my life to where I want to go or not?
Yes.
That is a conscious decision.
Exactly. So right you said, the awareness of where I am. In psychology and CBT, we ask the question, is this thought or emotion helping me right now? Whatever complaining mode or victim mode I am, is it helping me right now? Is it helping me to take action? Like, see, now you can say कि कैसे anger can help or negative emotion can help. Negative emotion can also help. Guilt can help you to progress. Anger can help you to set boundaries. So all emotions kept in a level are always beneficial. Now you need to ask, current anger, is it helping me to take an action? Current guilt, is it allowing me to take action? अगर ये awareness होती है, it is not helping me take action, then why am I holding on to it? What do I do to switch this state? है ना, किससे बात करूं या कुछ एफर्म करूं या कुछ डांस गाना लगा के डांस कर लो.
Yes,
है ना?
फेवरेट सॉन्ग पूरा परी हूँ मैं.
या कहीं चले जाओ, स्पा में चला जाओ, एक स्पा करके आ जाओ, दिमाग तो खुल जाएगा.
Absolutely.
So you need to decide that. And manifestation is all about being mindful about these things. And as you said, to be aware of the chemical, the state कि मेरा body and mind कर क्या है और मुझे क्या इस feeling में रहना है ना? So that is what a thing. And no matter you're a beginner or what a situation you are going through, Dina, trust me, gone through very, very painful situations. But thanks to the universe, that only thing I was like, I would focus on action. या कचरे को निकाल के घर को डेकोरेट कर दिया या कुछ पेंटिंग कर दिया, कुछ भी कर दिया, पेड़ लगा दिए घर में बैठ, कुछ भी कर दिया. आई यूज्ड टू डू समथिंग टू डिविएट माइसेल्फ. आई विल नॉट अलाउ माइसेल्फ टू कीप थिंकिंग दैट रात की नींद सोनी है, अच्छी सोनी है. And that 8 hours of sleep is mandatory. And I say to all my clients who work on manifestation, your brain is rejuvenating in the night times. Don't allow anything that can disturb your sleep. It is not worth it, guys. Right? This is the base of manifestation, Veena, and mean itself is a big challenge for most people, right? Yeah.
So, Hema, as we are talking about manifesting, we are also going deeper into patterns and how our stuck trauma also keeps us in that state. And a lot of times, most of us are not even aware that it's not about the other person; it's our own chemical condition, it's our own pattern that is keeping us stuck. Now, let's say there's a beginner who just kind of listened to this conversation and said that, oh, is it that I can take control of that emotion? What would be that first 2-3 steps we would suggest to that person as a beginner on this journey of manifestation?
Right, Veena, nice question. So, first thing, if you are wanting to apply manifestation to a current painful state, first thing I will say is acknowledge what you are going through. Because you are going through what you're going through because you were not acknowledged, appreciated, validated in your life so far. From parents, from friends in your life, or you were ignored and you were told to compromise with whatever it is. Nobody acknowledged that your pain is valid. So now it's your responsibility to acknowledge your pain. Yes, I am going through this. Yes, I am feeling low. Yes, I have gone through a sexual abuse. Yes, people betrayed me. Yes, I failed. पहले admit करो कि हाँ. Yes, I don't know English. Yes, my camera presence is not good. Yes, I don't understand grooming. So पहले admit. And that itself will take a couple of days. So first, write a letter to yourself acknowledging, yes, I have gone through so and so in my life. Yes, my life story, my family condition was so and so. And I don't know because of that, I am feeling so and so. पहले रोज journaling करो for at least 2 weeks. And you will see your negative thoughts will come down by 50%. Trust me, guys, you try this and share, come back to me. And I challenge you that this will change. This is the number one step. Step number 2, now write down what are your wish or goals. Lot of the people fail because they are complaining कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए वो नहीं चाहिए, है ना वीना? But how आप भी business coaching करवाते हो. Now how many of us are clear कि मुझे करना क्या है? मेरी लाइफ में पैसा नहीं है, मेरी लाइफ में हस्बैंड ठीक नहीं है, सास ठीक नहीं है, my children are not good, my health. For stop it. Acknowledge हो गया? Make a list कि what do you want? My weight, my complexion, my hair, like my hair straight or like Madhuri, curly or short, long, जो भी है. My weight, 65 kg, 70 kg, 55 kg, what is that you want, right? My conscious food choices, how is my routine, I want my routine to be like. अभी है, नहीं है, होगा, नहीं होगा, is secondary. Write down. Money, how much I want to earn, what kind of a house I want to live in. Do I want a servant at home or not? How should my children behave with me? How should my husband treat me? मतलब कैसे treat करेगा तो you will be happy. How should he say yes or no to you? How should he express love? Do you want him to get gift? Do you want him to help in the kitchen? Do you want him to hug you? Write it clearly. So ये हो गया second step where you list down and not in one aspect of life. Guys, I'm telling you. Transformation is holistic. Don't think कि पैसा कमा लिया you will be happy. No. If you have money and you fall sick, who will enjoy the money? You don't have money, all other everything is fine. Without money, how will you show love? How will you travel? How will you experience life? है ना? So everything is important. रिलेशनशिप भी अच्छा होना चाहिए ना. पैसा है, हेल्थ है, लेकिन झगड़े ही कर रहे हैं, फिर क्या फर्क है? उस पैसे का क्या यूज है ना? सो राइट गोल्स इन योर हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप एंड योर वेल्थ. तीनों में गोल्स लिखो क्या क्या चाहिए इन डिटेल. ये हो गया स्टेप 2. नाउ स्टेप 3, write down the action steps and see who are the people who are already living what I want and who's what inspires me. किसके हेल्थ गोल्स मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं, किसका मनी लाइफस्टाइल मुझे इंस्पायर करता है, whose relationship inspires me. And now either you model them. If you are a self action taker, then you model their lifestyle, their routine, their behavior, their ideology, or hire a mentor and go work with them and tell them, this is my goal and I'm so inspired by the way you are talking and saying, and could you help? Go work on it. Action. है ना? So पहला acknowledge, then list down the goals, then आता है action. पहले acknowledge करो, आप settle हो जाओ, फिर action के बारे में automatically आपका brain open हो जाएगा. And again, that we call manifestation. So acknowledge yourself.
Wonderful way of explaining, Hema. So, and especially I like the third part where you said that, write down whose life inspires you in every area. Now, honestly, just try this the way Hema is saying. When you write it, while you will be writing, your own emotional state will start changing.
Yes.
While you will be writing this.
Yes.
And once that emotional state changes, the chemical produced in the body changes.
Yeah.
You are going to create a new pattern. you are going to like to live in that space, in that way. And the more you repeat, repetition is the mother of manifestation.
Yes,
It
yes.
is going to put everything into your subconscious. And we all know that whatever is in the subconscious, exactly what we manifest in our life. So, Eva wonderfully explained. Now, just to wrap it up, tell us that if really somebody wants to start this journey of manifestation, what are the do's and don'ts to avoid?
Okay. So, guys, manifestation is a lifestyle, right? Like Bina was asking, people say it's a woo-woo thing, right? It's a lifestyle you have to live. So, do's and don'ts, I will say, first thing is cut down on social media, unwanted social media. See, now this is also you're watching on social media only. You need to unfollow the accounts where content that doesn't resonate with you come. Stop watching serials where unwanted emotional drama is happening. Stop watching movies that don't resonate with you. Right? Too much of aggression, too much of negativity, too much of patriarchy. Ignore them. है ना? So because what you consume is what you are being programmed to. How ads work? They're programming you to believe कि Maggie healthy है. So when you go to the store, you default pick it up. है ना? You don't go to any other brand for noodles. है ना? So like that, avoid unwanted social media which doesn't serve your purpose. Number two, cut down on the people around you who do not resonate with your goals and your ideology, and they always say, "ये काम नहीं करेगा, ये पागलपन है." If they don't resonate, please find a tribe that talks your language. This made a difference in my life. For almost 25 years, everywhere I was called कि ये तो crazy है, Hema is crazy, Hema is a boomerang and whatever. Until I joined the psychology group and there I saw people talking my language, it elevated my energy by default. I realized that my language is not crazy. There is something like what I think and it is real. है ना? Though I have manifested things, I didn't realize my worth. So find a tribe, right? And finally, please be aware of your emotions. Most of the times, we tend to avoid our emotions and distract them. We are going through negativity, and you tend to say, call your friend, and you are not doing complaining mode. What are you gaining from that? She will give you some advice, और अगर उसके घर में भी दर्द है, again वो भी और ऐड करेगी, हाँ यार ये सासू में ऐसी ही होती है, ये पति ऐसे ही होते हैं. Please don't do that. Rather write it with yourself or talk to your therapist who can be non-judgmental or your mentor where you get non-judgmental no guidance, right? Or elders in your family, very few who would actually give you a very non-judgmental advice. So please seek such people. है ना? So these are the three things I will say. So find the right tribe and get rid of people who don't understand and value, and stop being in the same state of nagging, talking about problems. Break the state by enrolling in new activities, join new communities. It could be dance, music, anything. Meet new people so you will see the different world out there. Go out. And mainly, don't go to bed with resentment, guys. That is the main mother of killing your manifestations. Devil, I will say. So every day before you go to bed, just do one thing. Just say, I love you the way I am. I forgive myself for whatever I could not do. And I am open to take all the lessons that people in my life intended to give me in good or bad. That's all. ये चीजें करो. And last but not the least, mother and father relationship. Energetically, it is really the most important thing in manifestation. So you might have hundreds of complaints with your parents. I agree with that. We have also gone through that. But understand that exactly like you are humans going through some trauma or pain, they were also humans. They went through some trauma and pain. Now, at least you have access to YouTube, podcast, therapists, mentors. They didn't even have that. They were brainwashed by, again, their elders who didn't have any access to the knowledge, who were victims. So imagine what could your parents do? They're not at fault, guys. They did what they knew. So please forgive them, stop blaming them, and take control and responsibility of your life. And that is going to lead to manifestations. Because mother is equal to manifestation of life, father is equal to manifestation of money. And energetic relationship with these two people decides your whole journey. है ना? So these are the main things which if you can focus, then manifestation will become easy. These are the starting points. Start working on this and definitely you will gain confidence. For anything else, you can put in the comment and we will be happy to answer your queries about manifestation. I hope that helps, Veena.
Yes, very, very wonderfully put together, Hema. I think it added a lot of value. And if you all have any questions, please comment in the chat box and we'll get back to you. Plus, start manifesting the dream life.
Yes, exactly.
Steps from the master herself. And always believe that the universe is loving you. There is so much of love and so much of abundance that everybody can get everything they desire. It is our only mind that blocks us. Don't let that happen to you. All the best, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you, Veena.